It's silver and gold time. Let's get straight into it. Do not place a trade based on what you're seeing in this video today, because trading is risky and it can cause substantial financial loss. There are so many areas you need to become good at to become a good trader. Emotional mastery, chart reading, trading systems, money and trade management. So this video is just educational only to help you become a much better trader. Hey traders, I've just recorded the video walking you through my ultimate trading system. This has been my most powerful trading system for the last 10 years or more. You're going to absolutely love this. Click on the box above that says Ultimate Trading System and you're going to see all the details. I'm going to give you the whole system absolutely free. Alright, hey traders, let's have a look at silver and gold, but pretty much nothing happened on the daily charts on silver and gold. This is pretty much nothing happened on the daily charts, pretty much a sideways day on silver, and gold right now is still hitting its head on this 1,240 mark. As I said before, guys, if we do break up above that, oh my goodness, that's going to be so bullish for all the gold stocks as well too. I reckon the GDX is about to will explode from there. But what I want to do right now, guys, I want to step back and have a look at the silver and gold on the long-term charts. We're gonna go real long term to show you what's happening here. So this is the weekly chart. Let's go back to the monthly chart here for starters, and let me just bring this up here. So on the monthly chart, what do we see? And we use this number 3 for the monthly chart. The first thing we do see, right, and we just got to really just be sort of, the ultimate high point has been up through there. We did have a lot of support and resistance around through there, didn't we? And now you can see this. You can see how this is the monthly chart. You can see how this monthly chart came down, found a bit. It actually broke back down, but now it's breaking back up here again. So the monthly chart's not really giving any gauge at all. If we break above 1400, we could see an explosion in silver and gold. Just not yet though. I am not buying silver and gold just yet. They're not telling me it's going to go up. I'm not going to just buy because Peter Schiff or someone else said so. That's the wrong thing to do. So we can see that's what's happening here on this monthly chart. We can really see that through there. And you can see this is the sort of this was a major level of support and resistance level here. Let's go back to the weekly chart now for a minute. All right, let's go back to the weekly chart. Now this is the weekly chart here. All right, so this here right now was an area of sort of long-term. This was a long-term area of support and resistance lines going on through here, as you can see. But the thing is, guys, the thing that I look at through this here when it comes to gold is this through here. This is what I'm seeing going on through here with silver and gold. We do have a lot of resistance going up through here as well too. And we also have a lot of resistance where we are still right now. And that's where we're having a lot of problems. We're just really having a lot of problems. So you can see that, and if I just take that off through, let me take that off the screen there, that small channel through there. And let me open this chart up. We can see here by looking at this long-term chart, we still are having a lot of problems here. Now guys, the tune has not changed long-term. That's what I said before. I'm not looking to buy gold or silver yet because the tune has not changed yet. This here still could just be a lower peak before we have another drop down. Now, if we do start to break out, and this is the key for me, this is the thing that I'll be watching out for. If we do start to break out of this channel, this will be the channel for me that I'll be watching on the weekly chart to say, okay, if we do start to break up, we do start to break down. Let me let me just delete that one. If we have a weekly close below this level, then this is going to be a continuation, and we may be getting ready for another down move, and it may actually head down towards the low here, maybe even down further. So that is definitely not off the chart, because the chart right now is not saying we're at buyers in control. Yes, we found a bit of a bottom here, and we had a nice V bottom through here, but right now we're at this major area of resistance, as you can see right now. The last couple of weeks we had a lot of problems through there, and we are squeezing up into this overall triangle pattern. As you can see, it's squeezing up into this triangle pattern through here. That's the daily chart. This is the weekly chart. So for me, guys, depending on what happens this week, if we have a nice close above 1240, then we're heading for the 1300 level, somewhere around there. And then if we break that, then yeah, then we can clearly see that now we do have definitely a trend in place. And then I definitely do say that after we break the 1300 level, that we're going to have a nice trend in place. And after that happens, after we start breaking the 1300 level, guys, that's when I'm going to start buying, that's when I'm going to start putting investment decisions on, more like long-term buy and hold, on some silver and gold stocks, and maybe even just silver and gold itself as well too. Do you know what I'm saying? So don't just go on what other people say, guys. Just listen to what your gut says. And for me right now, nothing is giving me any guidance when it comes to gold right now. Okay, so let's go and have a look at silver. Let's go look at the monthly chart here for a minute. We're going to look at the monthly chart, see if we can see anything on the monthly chart. Now, the thing that I do see on the monthly chart when it comes to silver is that we are getting a lot of bullishness out of silver. Silver looks more bullish than anything else right now. So, but the thing about silver is that we have this 1800 level right now, where it is right there. That level right there is the key for me. And let me bring up the weekly chart here. That level through there is the key for me, where this is where it had a lot of problems in the past. So even if we did get a little rise to the high side on silver and gold, you can see that's what's going on through there. Let me bring this up through here. So yeah, so this is the level through here that you want to keep an eye on for, and you can see where we're at right now. Alright, so you can see that, and what I'm doing, guys, I'm just getting these ultimate high points through, and that's the reason why we're touching through there. And you can see, and then we have this ultimate, this other trend line down through here, guys. Again, if you have a look at the last 12 months, where's the last sort of 12 months, we had a nice uptrend, and we've had a nice downtrend. Nice downtrend, alright? If we look at for the last 6 months or so, the trend has been down. We haven't got any buying movement yet. Yes, we are breaking up, and we're slowly breaking up through there, but there's no buying movement yet out of this. Okay, so just be really, really, really careful out of this. And I would say there's a bit of a channel on this weekly chart with silver and gold. And let me just bring up, I'd say that through there. So we got a little sort of channel going on through there. Let me bring up a bit more. So a little channel. Let me squeeze this up through here. We came up. You can see how, guys, when I draw this up here, you can see. Look at this here. So we've got this arrow. Easy, Tiger. Alright, let me do that again. Arrow. So we've got this arrow. You can see we started there, touched there, touched there. You see how it rejected there right now. Plus we're at the top of this channel as well too. You can see it's actually had a lot of touches, and we've got this bottom of the channel. So this is a very, very, very telling sign. Now we do. This is where the major resistance level is. And even if it breaks above that 1850 level, guys, is a strong, strong area. Now, here's the thing that I'm looking at for. I'm not looking to pick the bottom. If this thing is going to race to 50 or 100, guess what? I'm not going to try and buy it on the bottom here. I'm going to wait for the market to tell me. What is that? Well, I'm going to wait for this market to break back up and break back up and get break back up. And then have a nice pullback somewhere for a few weeks, and then start to have a nice run. This here is where I'm looking to get into it, somewhere around there, right? If you guys remember last year, I actually bought silver right here. Why did I buy silver there? Now I wrote it up and wrote it down, idiot. But the thing is, why did I buy it here? Because I was waiting for the chart to tell me, and then the market took off, right? So we had the market here, we had this market going back up, had the market run back up, and then we had a few weeks pullback, and I bought it right back here. If you guys go back and look at my videos, I actually bought silver right there. In fact, I bought it right on the low point there, because I was saying, okay, this overall flow of the trend, we're creating this higher trough, higher trough, higher trough, and now the trend is now starting to take off. This is what I'm looking for, guys, to say that they were now in a big buying trend. Makes sense, guys? So focus on the charts. It doesn't matter if the charts are manipulated or what's happening in the economy. The charts are going to show you what's going on. And right now, it's a bit of, I'm not too quite sure. You know what I mean? So let me just take everything off the screen there. So that's what I see there. This is a long-term view on silver and gold. Hey, thanks for watching. If you'd like to get more free education about trading, then click on the box that says free trading course. This is a free trading course. It goes for around 12 hours long. It's about 12 videos long. Covers everything from chart reading, mindset, trading systems, money management, trade management, everything you need to get yourself ahead in the markets. And if you'd like to get my help personally, then click on the box that says Get John's Help, and you'll be able to see how you can get my help personally. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe on the video. And remember, success can be yours if you go claim it. So step up, take massive action, and face your fears today.